And first possession from the team Hub Park. The 27 is good. It is number 21 from Team Maspo, number 21. Pinasakay, number 10, crossover. Penetrates, fast, traveling, violation.
Side!
Yan ang si number 0, Nico Carta. Short ang tira, rebound. Recovered by number 27. Pinasa ka number 30. Pulls, overshoots. Rebound na number 3, Team Maspo. Number 3 penetrates and it's good. Yan ang Team Hub Park. Team Hub Park, number 30. Number 30 pulls the 3. Puts it in. Ooh. Out of bounds. Team Hub Park, number 1. Finds number 30. Pulls the 3 again. Rondo. Rebound number 27. Puts it in. Valencia, number 40, against number 1. Valencia steal. And that's a foul committed by number 40. First personal foul. Carta. Rebound ng malaking mama na number 27. Penetrates. Puts it in. Number 11 to number 10. Number 10 De Los Santos losing the ball. Same ball possession. Number 10 to number 18. Two number baseline shot, won't go. Rebound, recovered. Tuwalog yan ng Team Maspo. Number 10 penetrates and it's in. Number 1 hesitates in the paint, finds number 15. The big man won't go. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 3 puts it in. (9-6) ang ating score. Ayun na si number 14. Number 14 won't go. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Umira ng 13, number 21. Wala yan. Nakuha yan ni Nico. And a score by number 13. (11-6). Number 3. Asu, number 21. Forcing the offense. Put back shot by number 14. 11-8 ang ating score. Walang platoon ang Team Maspo. Tuloy ang laban. Yung dilaw, palit 5.
Kawawa. Silang palitan.
Yan ang Team Hub Park. It is steal by number 10. Libre na. Basket yan. Kaya number 10.
Wala silang player, idol. Oo nga, edi technical yun. Walang technical eh. Walang technical. Pag lima lang, walang. Hindi, lima lang sila. Lima lang sila.
Ayan pa may kasama.
Ayun, meron. Thunder, kuha ka bola. Ayan, may kapalitan na. Pesa!
Number 10. Pulls a 3. Wala. Number 18. Was foul rep. Number 27. Number 22. Okay, number 22 is foul. First personal foul, number 22.
Hoy, kapesa! Ano pangalan mo?
Pag time out, pwede siya mag-sub.
Number 18 to number 21 to number 3. Substitution, sige. Pasok na yung hindi ano. Yung isa. Nagsasapatos pa, sige. Nagsasapatos pa siya. Tuloy lang rin, pawala. Score natin. 10-11. There's number 14. Number 14, 4 meters. As to number 21 to number 10. Number 10. Number 10 steal. Shot clock down to 5. Forcing the offense. Wala yan. Naribaw ng Team Hub Park. Team Hub Park number 23. Puts it in. 3 points. 14-11. 14-10. Sorry. Umira. Wala. Naribaw number 23. And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 10. Number 21.
Time out dito.
Time out.
Dito.
Time out, Hub Park. Ang score natin, 14-10.
Hanggang mo!
Ayan ang pulo ng Hub Park. Pulo ng Hub Park yan. Number 23. Number 23 to number 7. Finds number 23. Fakes. Traveling violation.
Talo pa ang half part yun eh. Talaga. Problema na nila. Pero solid din yun. Magaling din yung mga green. Oo, solid din yung mga green. Magaling lang. Hindi lang. Hirap pa nga sila. Magaling na. Number ano yun? Sino nakatira?
Number 22 is good. Number 5. Number 14. Pass to the wrong man. Recovered by number 3 to number 14. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni number. Pass to number 5. Number 5, maganda. Wala yan. Recovered. Puts it in. And one. Basketball. Number 3. Who's foul rep? Number 22 is fouled. Personal foul. Number 3 is good.
Hirapan ako mag-video.
Technical na. Nag-shoot na kayo kanina. Wala rin sa inyo. Technical na lang.
Ayan si number 7. Wala. Na-rebound. Ni number. Libre na. Si number 14. Dikit lang ang laban. Nice kill ni number 18. Number 18, pinasa ka number 21. Number 21, and it's good.
Lamang na.
Lamang ng green. Kuha ulit ng green. Number 21, pasok na naman yan. Number 23, pinasa ka eh. Number 3 ng kalaban. And that's a foul committed by number 22. Second personal foul mo yan, number 22.
Oy, 6 seconds yan ah. Walang tira oy. Depensa, pressure nyo.
Oras na, ano? Ah!
Number flag.
Ano ba yan?
19 lang pala, 19. Okay, tama lang. Para sa lahat yan. Para sa lahat.
Sino captain ball niyo? Ay, si Jai. Jai. Captain ball. Isa lang nakatayo para mag-monitor ng score ha, para ano, ma-check nyo yung scoring ha. Open sub na sa third quarter.
Green ball tayo, green ball.
Green ball. 19-16 ang ating score in favor of the green.
Technical tayo sa.
Meron tayo isang technical free throw. Itira ang kulay yellow.
Technical tayo sa red. Susunod at may damit na idol ah.
Sa quarterfinals, wala na tayong room. Hindi pwedeng maglaro ang walang uniform. Number 1. Sablay ng technical free throw.
Nakaantok pa kasi oh. Tikit pa ako eh. Teka. May sulat na score dyan. Oo, ito lang ba sulat dyan.
There is number 5 to number 8. Number 8 setting up the play. Pulls a 3 from the downtown. Overshoots. Rebound by number 2. Traveling violation. And ang team, Masmo number 5, the perimeter paint won't go. Rebound number 9, and it's good. As the number 0, Nico, forcing the offense. Overshoots. Rebound by number 15, the big man. Overshoots. Recovered. Puts it in by Nico. Back shot by number 0, number 22. Walang bola, and that's a foul committed by number 1. Number 1 is second personal foul. Number 9. Mira, wala yan. Recovered by the team. Maspo finds number 5. Floats, won't go. Rejected. Rebound by number 1. Libre si Miko. And it's goal. Basket yan. Number 8 to number 12. Number 12, 22 penetrates, finds number 9. For the 3, in and out of bola. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 to number 1 to number 0. Hesitates, pulls the 3, overshoots. Recovered, putback shot by number 15. Gains favor. Lamang ng yellow. 22-21. Out of bounds. Number 1, inara si number 22. Pass to number 30, pulls the 3, won't go. Rebound by number 18. Number 19. And it's number 5. Out of bounds. Team Hopcard hesitates. Number 1 back to number 0. Pulls the 3 from the downtown. Won't go. Recovered by number 2. Overshoots. And that's a foul. Committed by number 19. Number 19 is fouled. Number 2. Supply yung unang tira.
Landing mode. FM mode. Bluetooth mode. Play by USB drive.
Ayan na, si number 8. Alam na mapasahan. Pass it to the Roman. From number 2 to number 0. And it's goal. Pasok yan. Number 9. Number 5. Baseline shot. Overshoots. Rebound by number 19. Basket. And si number 1. Number 1 steal. Number 30 pulls the 3, won't go. Recovered by number 2, rejected. Recovered by number 15, and it's good. Time out. Platon yan, Platon, hindi time out. Alright, back to the ball game. Change 5 yan, change 5. Change 5 na po yan, change 5. Number 10. Inara si number 8. Naghanap na mabasahan. Nakuha ni number 18. Number 18 to number 21. Naipit. Shot grab down to 5. Number 18. Tumira ng 3. Sablay. Recovered by number 10. Steal. Walang bola. Nakuha ni number 22. Basket is good to number 8. Number 14, Team Maspo. To number 3. To number 21 hesitates. Back to number 3. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Number 27. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha ni number 3. To number 10. Drop pass to number 14. Fakes. Number 21. Short. Recovered. Rebound na number 27 yan. Number 27 to number 22. Pass to the wrong man. Nakuha ng team. Maspo, number 3. Pinasa kay number 14. Number 14, overshoots. Rebound by number 8. Number 22. Pass to number 27. Wala yan. Rebound by number 22. Basket is good. Score natin, 23-31. Isa lang ang nakatayo sa bawat kupunan para mag-monitor ng score. Steal by number 14, number 14, rushing. And that's a foul committed by number 23. First, personal foul. Number 14, short ang tira.
Gawa na mga tubig break sa baba. Malamig daw.
Team Hubbard, number 27, to number 8. Number 8, pass to number 9. Nawala ang bola. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Malakas ang pasa.
You can play games and skate past forever. Just joking. Let's go.
Team Hubbard, number 8. Itinawid ang bola, pinasa ka number. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ng teams. Maspo, and a steal by number 22. Number 22, and does a foul. And number 21. Number 21, second. Number 21, second personal foul. Sablay mo ng tira. Second one is good. Check. Check. Meron Team Maspo. Team Maspo, baseline shot, won't go. Recovered, number 3. Wala pa rin yan. Rebound by the big man. Pinasa sa kulay green. Lumabas pa rin yan. Rebound by number 22. Naiipit. Nakuha ni number 9, long pass. So, number 8. Number 8. Pass to the wrong man. Steal by number 14. Number 14. And that's a foul. Number 22. Number 22. Third personal foul. Number 14 to number overshoots. Rebound by number 21. Baseline, perimeter. And it's goal. As number 22. 23. Ipinasa ka number 8. Number 8 against number 21. And that's a foul committed by number 21. Number 21, third personal foul. Number 27, beyond the arc shot. In and out ang bola, recovered by number 9. Basket is good. Score natin, 34-25. Nawala ang bola. Number 8 steal. To number 23, pulls the 3, overshoots, 3, puts it in. By number 9. A bonus shot. Bonus shot is good. We only have 1 minute, 26 seconds left in the second quarter. Ang score natin, 37-25 in favor of the yellow team. Team Hapart.
Pwede naman kasi time out eh.
Ang susunod na maglalaban ay Team Diesel versus Rolling
Na? Pwede rin.
Youth Division. Third game. Entrance versus Batya Selections. And our last game for tonight will be St. Francis A and Hoopers. Get back to the ball game. Number 21, tumira ng 3. Short ang tira to number 40. Number 40 for the 3. And that's a foul. Number 22 is foul. Warning to graduate, fourth personal foul. Number 22. Number 21 to number 18. Number 18. Hinaharas ni number 22. Out of bounds. Shot clock down to 6 seconds. Number 14, basket is good. Sampo ang kalamangan ng Hapart. Warning, number 10. Number 18 to number 14, Valencia setting up the play. Finds number 3, pulls the 3, overshoots, rebound by number 22 to number 8. Number 8 trap pass, number 27. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 3. Number 3 to number 10. Pass to number 14. Nawala pa rin ang bola, nakuha ni number 23 yan. Sablay ang tira. Number 14 penetrates. And that's a traveling violation. 17 seconds left. Number 8.
Ayan. Dito na lang. Ayan.
Buzzer na lang maririnig. Number 8, basket is good. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Diyan na nagtatapos ang second half of this game. Hey! Hey!
Dito wala na. Dito wala na.
Ilang games ba to? Ay, ilang games apat? Mabilis ba?
Nigga burn this shit up. D-J-C, my nigga turn that shit up. CPT, NBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Love niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low ride, yo ride, boy, we living it up. Taking chances,
Sarap yan.
dancing in the party for sure. Slip my over 44, what she got in the back door. Bitches looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this motherfucker, just to swing in my hand. Bitch, quit talking, walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some dick and take this dope on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father, right? And if your ass get cracked, then shut your trap. Coming back, get back, that's the purpose. If you believe in
Double
the
time,
streets, you be believing the streets.
Diesel.
Alright, our next game for tonight will be between the Team Diesel and Team Rollin from the Youth Division. Base na rin kayo. Third game from the Legend Division, Guentrans versus Batia Selections. And our last game for tonight will be between St. Francis A and Hoopers. Shoutout sa mga sponsors natin. Honorable Captain, Honorable Gonzales, Aris Nieto, Honorable Ariel, Zig, Noriel German, and Alvin Kotako. Ayan na si number 1 from the team apart. Rebound ni number 2, traveling violation. Number 15, setting up the play, finds number 0 to number 1 to number 8. 9 seconds to shoot, and that's a foul committed by number 5. Number 5, first personal foul. First foul rep. Number 9 is foul. Score natin 39-27 in favor of the yellow team. Team Hapart. Offensive foul tayo. Foul sa number 1. Number 15 is foul. First personal foul. Yan si number 2, nawala ang bola. As number 8. Number 8 to number 1. Back to number 8. Pass to number 2. Basket is good. Number 9. And that's a foul committed by number 1. Number 1, third personal foul. Number 5. Number 8, floating shot. Number 19, rejected, pero foul si number 2. Number 2 is foul. Number 19 will be in the line. Second one is good. 41-28 ang ating score. Wala si Bigo, number 8. Number 8. And that's a foul by number 5. Second personal foul, number 5. Number 0 finds number 15 who's steal by number 18. Naiwan ang kalaban, number 22. Kaso number 8. Libre na? Wala pa. This is number 1. Number 1 steal, and that's a foul. Number 2.
Number 2, second personal.
Time out kayo. Green. Time out. Sino nag-time out? Half part?
Green, time out.
Green ng time out. Mas po.
Time out, Johnny. Time out, time out.
Number to number 9, number 9. Floater puts it in. Number 2 to number 8, to number 2. Number 2 steal. Recovered. And that's a traveling violation. Number 19, inbound to the ball to number 8, to number. Floater shot number 8, and it's good. Number 9. Number 1. Number 1, inaras ni number 9. Number 1 still finds number 0. To number 2. Basket is good. 43-32 in this third quarter. Time remaining 5 minutes 40 seconds.
Dead ball daw, dead ball.
Number 8, floater shot, overshoots. Ako pa rin niya, 10 to shoot. Number 9, penetrates, nawala ang bola. Recovered the number 18, rejected by number 2. Number 1 now. And that's a foul. Who's foul? Unsportsmanlike foul. Extending elbow. Number 5.
Idol, 3 minutes cool off tayo.
3 minutes cool off muna. 3 minutes cool off.
2 shot, possible possession.
Pasok. Sub. Pasok.
2 shot tayo, 2 shot. Possible possession yun.
Number 2. Tabla yung unang tira. Second free throw is wala pa rin yan. Number 23, bounded the ball, finds number 0, and steal by number 22. Lumipad na. Wala pa rin yan. And recovered, finds number 9. That is good. Number 0, throws a 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 19. Score na rin 34-43 in favor of the yellow team. Number 9, pulls a 3. Short. Rebound number 19 to number 8. Overshoots. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 steal. And that's a foul committed by number 15. Substitution. Number 15, second personal foul.
Penalty na pala.
Number 9 missing the first one. Second one is good. And ang team half part number 1. Number 1 steal. Number 1. Forcing the offense. One go. Rebound. Ni number. And that's a out of bounds. Wala ng green. Lane violation. Wala ng yellow. Yellow's ball. Beautiful toss pass to number 9. Number 22. Number 22 steal. Pulls the 3 from the downtown. Won't go. Rebound by number 19. Rejected with number 15. Number 3. Pulls. Wala. Rebound by. Nakuha pa rin ang green yan. Number 8, throw-meter shot. Short. Rebound by number 15. Number 15 to number 0. Hinahara si number 0. Number 0 steal. And a steal by number 22. Number 22. Behind the back pass. Number 8. Wala. Recovered by number 9. That is good. And one pass the ball. Number 0. Substitution. Pasok. Sub. Ang ating official score is 45-37. 45-38 na. In favor of the yellow team, ayan na si number 27, Salinas, looking for an open man. Number 27 to number 1, Matala. Matala setting up the play. 8 to shoot. Number 27, in and out ang tira. And that's a foul. Foul number 15. Third personal foul. Number 80. Number 21, back number 80. Out of bounds, same ball possession. 12 seconds to shoot. number 8. Number 8. 5 to shoot. Buzzer na lang maririnig nyo. Tumira ng 3 si number 9. Basket is good. 3 points. Number 9. Nabasa apat ang kalamangan ng half court. Yan si number 1 hesitates. And a steal. Recovered. Pulls. 2 points lang yun. 2 points. Sumapak. 2 lang yun. 2. Ayun na si number 21. Bumawi. Puts it in. Number 1. Number 1, hinaharas. Aku, 0, puts it in. Number 9, basket is good. Number 8, score na rin, 43-49. Number 18, forcing the offense. Back to number 8, number 9, puts it in. 3 points. Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng yellow team. Manala to number 27, pulls the 3, overshoots, rebounding number 9, and that's a foul committed by number 19 is foul. Fourth personal foul. Second personal foul, number 19. First one is good by number 9. Second one, won't go, rebounding number 18. Pass to number 9. Number 9 puts it in. L1 basketball substitution. Who's ball rep number? Number 23. $48.50. Baba sa 2 kalamangan ng yellow team. Team Hapart. First free throw is good. Bonus shot. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Nico. Put back out by number 2. Balik sa 3 ang kalamangan ng yellow team. Number 9, Gian Darchat, short, rebound number 2. Number 2 to number 1, penetrates, and that's a foul committed by number 18 is fouled, number 18. Both teams are now in the penalty situation. Bonus shot for number 1. Second one is good. 53-49 in favor of the yellow team. Number 8 setting up the play. To number 9. Number 9 baseline shot. Floater. Short ang tira. Rebound din number 1 yan. Number 1. Number 1 hinaras ni number 21. Pass number 0. Fakes. Nawala ang bola. Ball possession ng green. 32 seconds left in this third quarter. Number 8 setting up. Number 8 finds number 18. Tumira ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound ni number 9. Baseline shot. Puts it in. Aba sa 2 kalamangan. 10 seconds to shoot. Buzzer na lang. Mamaririnig. Nico to number 2. Basket is good. And And that ends the third quarter of this game. Our score 51-55 in favor of Team Hapart. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Handa-handa na ang susunod na maglalaban. Team Diesel versus Rollin from the Youth Division. All right, back to the hard court.
May tumatawag.
Tomorrow, please.
And ang Team Hapart number 2 to number 1. Number 1 against number 10 to number 0. Perimeter shot and the paint won't go. Rebound by the green number 22. Hesitates. Drop pass to number 14. Finds number 5. Rejected. Pass to number 10. Number 10. So yan, 3 points. Number 22. Ang ating score, 54-57. Number 27, basket is good. 59-54 ang ating score. Yan na si number 14. Number 14 to number 5. Back to number 14. And to shoot. 5. And a steal by number 3 in the paint, short ng tira. Substitution niya. 8 minutes 17 in this last quarter. Number 8, pass to number 27. Back to number 0. And there's a foul committed by number 5. Pushing foul. Substitution. Basket is good. First free throw. Second one is good. Substitution. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 4 seconds. 54-61 in favor of the yellow team. Rebound by number 15 to number 2. Number 2. Crossing the midcourt. Finds number 1. Number 8. Number 8. Number 15. Number 15. Nawalang bola. And a steal by the yellow green team. Number 9. Number 9. Lumipad na. Drop pass to number 5. Nawalang bola. Recovered by number 14 to number 3. Number 3 behind the back pass. Out of bounds. Ayun na si number 8. Number 8 to number 0 finds number 2. Puts it in. Tatlo. Short ang tira, rejected. Number 10, setting up, 5 to shoot. Rebound by the yellow team. Number 8 to number 0. Laking mama, tumingin pa. Timeout! Timeout green. Isa na lang ang timeout ng green. Idol. Back to the ball game. We are now on this last quarter, 5 minutes and 52. $65-54. Ay, back.
Ibigin nyo yun. Okay. Hindi, tayo. Sundin ko lang. Take na namin yung mga bago ako. Wala mo na akong 5,000. Ah, 1,000.
And ang green team finds number 14. Floater shot, puts it in.
1,000.
Basket is good by number 2. Number 9 inbounded the ball. Oh, number 5 pulls a 3. Overshoots, rebound by number 15. Number 15, naghanap ng mapasahan. Finds number 2 to number 8. Number 8 to number 1. Number 1, perimeter shot. Puts it in. 69-56. 4 minutes and 50 seconds left. MC number 10 to number 5. Floater, short, rebound to number 2. Number 2, naghanap ng mamasahan. Finds number 0. Miko Harta. Number 1. Number 8, drop pass to number 15. Spins. Natapikan, na-astilan. Ako ni number 10 to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 3. And it's goal. Beautiful isolation play by the green team. And ang yellow team, number 1, forcing the offense. Drop pass to number 2. Basket is goal. Number 5 to number 14. Fakes the 3. Naiwan ang kalaban. Malakas ang tira. Recovered. Out of bounds. Timeout. Masco. Wala na kayong timeout. Number is Pista. Ang ating score, 58-71 in favor of the yellow team. Number 15, libre, and it's good. Basket is good. Ayan na, si number 9. Number 9, tumira ng 3 and that's a foul committed by number 8 is foul. Number 9 will be awarded for 3 free throws. First one, won't go. Supply pa rin ang isa. Tatlong tira yan. Isang tira pa. Last one, misses. 3 out of 3 ang sinaplay. And si number 2. Grab pass si number 0, forcing the offense. Well defended basketball by the green. And si number 5, pass to number 14. And there's a foul committed by number 2. Number 2, third personal foul. Ang score natin, 73-58. Tapos ang tira. 3 minutes 24 in this last quarter of this game. Second one, basket. Pasok.
Huli na yun, hindi na pwede pumasok.
Number 15 inbounded the ball to number 1. Number 1 against number 8. Thanks to the wrong man. Nakuha yan ni number 9. Number 9 lumipad and does a foul. Foul si number 1.
Number 1, warning
Number 1 warning to
to graduate.
graduate. Fourth personal foul. Number 9 misses. Recovered. Number 9 is good. Yes, number 8 to number 0. Number 0 forcing the offense, and that is foul committed by number 8. Number 9. Oh, number 8, sorry. Sablay ang una. Second one, let's go. Substitution. 61-74. Number 27 is in. Number 0 out.
Ano sila ulo?
Number 22, 3 points. Baba sa 10 kalamangan. Time out! Time out, Kalapati.
Apat na games yan.
Back to the ball game. 2 minutes 41 left. That is number 8. Natapagan ng bola. Number 1. Floater. Short rebound ni number 9. Number 9 yan. Nagmamadali. Number 9. Hesitates. Sidestep to number 14. Puts it in. Ang ating score, 66-74. Yan ang si number 27. Nice steal yan ni number 9. To number 14 again. And it's good. Ayan ang humahabol na. Time out.
Foul. Naglaro sa kainin eh.
back to the ball game, number 27. Inbounding the ball to number 1. Number 1 to number 2. Number 2 still finds number 8. Fakes. Aso. Tumira ng 3. Si number 1. Wee! And si number 9. Bumawi ng 3. Wee! Pumasok pa yun, Rep. Out. Airball pala, airball. Ayun na si number 15. Number 15, hinaharas. Back to number 15. Naghanap na mabasahan. Finds number 27. Number 1 is still by number 22. Number 14, libre na yan, lumipad na. And it's good. I-score na rin. 70, 77, babasa pito ang kalamangan ng Team Yellow. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Ngayon na si number 1, hinaharas. To number 27. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, forcing the offense. Basket is good. And that's a foul. Who's foul? Rip. Basket is good. Unsportsmanlike foul, number 15.
Under 15, out ka na.
Number 15, pull off.
Idol, labas ka na muna.
Pull off number 15, 3 minutes. Unsportsmanlike.
Aspo. 2 shots, Aspo possession.
Unsportsmanlike foul, 2 shots plus ball possession. Number 21 in the line, first bonus. Sablay. The green team are down by 9 points. Ayan na si number 21. Basket is good. Baba sa 1 low ang kalamangan. Number 22. Number 22 inbound the ball. We only have 1 minute 24 seconds left. Number 8 to number 3 points. Wala yan. Rebound to number 9. Number 9 baseline 3. And it's good. 2 points.
2 boys lang. 2 boys lang, 3.
And as number 2. Number 1. And that's a foul committed by number 8. Ref, yung tira kanina, tres ba yun or dos? Dos. 2 points lang, umapak. Dos lang. Ang official score is 73-79 in favor of the yellow team. And si number 1. 58 seconds left. And to shoot. Asal na lang maririnig. 5 to shoot. And that's a lane violation.
Ganto yun, ganto.
And number 8, number 9, number 9. Number 9 forcing the offense, penetrates, overshoots, rebound to number 2, nawala pa rin ang bola, nakuha ng number 9 steal, pass to number 22, pulls a 3, overshoots, rebound by number 2, and a steal by number 8. Number 8 forcing the offense, puts it in, outrun basketball by number 8. Who's foul rep? All number 2. Number 2, warning to graduate. 75-79.
24 seconds, 24. Sakto lang, Idol. 73 lang kayo galing. 73 lang.
Our official score is 75-79. And na, 76-79. Baba sa tatlong kalamangan ng yellow. Yan na si number 8. Number 8. And that's a traveling violation. 19 seconds. The green team are down by 3. Ay na si number 9. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. Pasok yan! Deadlock tayo! 79 all. 10 seconds to shoot. And that's a foul.
Wala pa, isa pa.
8 seconds remaining.
Wala pa, ito Lelo, isa pa.
Shoot na
Kabila, Beli, kabila.
overtime.
Wala pa tayong penalty.
Huwag sila mag-foul. Pag-foul sila.
Number 27, inbound to the ball. Nice nila yan. And that's a foul. Penalty situation.
Shoot, dalawa. Number 1, graduate.
Number 1, graduate ka na. 5, personal foul. Number 1.
Pasok, isa pa.
Sablay ang unang tira. Yung number 22. Number 22. Wala! Sablay! And that's a foul! Penalty situation.
Sinayang.
Number 9.
Sinayang.
May balat. May balat sa pwede isa sa inyo. Laging ganun lang. Ang laro yun. Parang lang kami pangalaw. Diba? Laging ganun.
Number 2. Sablay! Pasok! Ayan na! 4 seconds. Second free throw, Sablay, nakuha ni number 19. Pasto, steal, by number 9. Diyan na nagtarakos.